One of my children was going through his wandering years. He was integrating with their friends from school, non-Native people, and maybe struggling with identity like many of us have or done. He said to me, what's wrong with us? Like, we're not the same like my friends from town. Like, I'm not like them. What's wrong with me? So I tried to explain to him the best I could the information that I have gained. And then I brought it to an elder who actually presented me with this eagle feather. And that elder said to me, well, actually, the real question is, it's not what's wrong with us, it's what happened to us. We don't know what we're lonely for or what we're missing, but really, it's actually the heartbeat, the foundation of who we are as Anishinaabe, and that's the language, our identity, our culture. I'm always bringing up how important it is to have our own teaching lodge, because we need to learn the ceremonial part. I did not learn growing up, but I'm learning now. When I was reflecting on reconciliation as well, I was thinking it's got to start somewhere. Our elders, our leadership, people who can restore that balance and bring what we lost back to community, back to our people, back to our youth who are feeling lost. Our elders are knowledge carriers. They carry all the knowledge, the education from their forefathers, from their ancestors. They're very wise. The elders that we do have left, it's so vital and so important, I think, to capture their stories. They are waiting to be approached and asked for their wisdom, their knowledge. They're so needed, and our youth need them.